Friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about how can we disconnect Wi-Fi network in our Poco phone. Guys, you want to disconnect your Wi-Fi network in your Poco phone, so how can you disconnect? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. First of all, guys, open your phone setting to disconnect your Wi-Fi network. After on phone setting, guys, you can see this type of setting. Fence, scroll it, fence. You can see phone Wi-Fi setting. So we will click on Wi-Fi. So friends, you can see guys, we have connected guys this Mukesh Wi-Fi, but guys, we want to disconnect this network. So how can we disconnect? And right side is arrow option, guys. Tap here and fence scroll it. Fence you can see forget network means disconnect option, guys. Tap here to disconnect. Then it will disconnect and we will off it. So like that guy, we can disconnect Wi-Fi network in our Poco phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet our next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.